What's up guys, in this video today I am going to show you the top 5 best welding gun. This also makes it an ideal welding method if you are a hobbyist and work in various welding projects in your garage, although there are a few more aspects that affect the compatibility of the MIG welding gun. There are a lot of products available to choose to welding gun, each with excellent characteristics, benefits, and prices to help you make an informed decision. I have done deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best welding gun product from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. NEWACALOX Soldering Gun. The temperature of this soldering gun can be adjusted via rotate the thermostat knob, and it have power switch, more energy efficient, and safer. 480 degrees Celsius adjustable temperature meet different welding needs. This gun will not generate static electricity in usage, so the precision circuit board will not be damaged. The top on-off switch can avoid a long time of use, saving energy and ensure safety soldering. This soldering gun more suitable for welding circuit board, appliance repair, home hobbyists, jewelry welding. Order or automatic soldering gun, you can doing solder feeding and soldering by one hand. The solder wire scaffold provides the hands-free solder feeding while soldering. With you pressing the trigger, the solder wire trace down the steel wire pipe into heated up solder head, then melt and flow down to the place where you are repairing. The soldering iron gun kit includes 1mm 1.75 ounces solder wire roll, no need to purchase separately. Toolour automatic soldering iron kit is the most functional, reliable and safe welding tool. Number 2. Toolour solder gun. Looking for a handy and reliable soldering gun kit that can do it all? Look no further than the Toolour 6-in-1 soldering gun kit. This all-in-one welding kit comes with a soldering gun, desoldering pump, solder wire, screwdriver, and 2 tweezers, everything you need to get the job done right. The solder gun features an adjustable temperature settings that range from 260 to 480 degrees Celsius, so you can find the perfect heat for any welding job. The detachable solder wire stand provides a convenient way to feed solder wire to the gun while you work, and the included anti-static tweezers are perfect for picking up small objects from PCB boards. The high-quality ABS construction and sponge-covered handle of the desoldering pump make it easy and comfortable to use, and the high-pressure pump helps remove excess solder from soldering points. Backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 2-year warranty, the Toolour 6-in-1 soldering gun kit is the perfect choice for anyone in need of a versatile and reliable welding tool. Number 3. YESWELDER MIG Welding Gun. YESWELDER is probably the most popular name on our list. They have a lot of popular products including this MIG welding gun. Our first pick for the best MIG welding gun is a premium welding gun from YESWELDER. This can work as an excellent replacement for your previously owned MIG welder, as it supports a wider range of machines. Amongst that, SP85, SP100, SP100i, HandyMIG 170i, MIGPAC 10, MIGPAC 15, etc. are a few noteworthy machines. It comes with a 10-foot long cable that is most common amongst all welding guns available out there. YESWELDER MIG welding gun is fully compatible with the Lincoln Magnum 100L K535. This welding gun supports 0.030 to 0.035 inches diameter welding wire, with a standard 0.030 inches diameter tip on the front of the gun. Number 4. Happybuy MIG Welding Gun. Happybuy is a heavy-duty brand with many powerful products in their lineup. If you are looking for such a high-powered MIG welding gun, consider the following option. Next up, we have got a heavy-duty choice from Happybuy. That is the Happybuy M25 welding gun. It is a 250 amp welding gun that marks one of the best and highest power output available from our list. Although, even with such high power capacity, it has a very competitive price tag that should be kept in mind. Happybuy M25 uses a high-quality international pure copper oxygen-free cable for the safest and most optimum welding performance. Along with that, you will be getting an ergonomic design on the handle of the welding gun that fits comfortably in the welder's hand and avoids any mishaps due to accidental slips. As the end of the torch is flexible, you can manually bend it to match the welding area so that you don't miss a spot. It has a 15-foot long cable that is highly essential for larger and immovable jobs. Number 5. Zinger MIG Welding Gun. Zinger is one of the trusted brands for providing the best products that doesn't disappoint with quality and pricing. And their MIG welding gun torch lives up to their name. It is compact in size and reliable enough with 100 amp power output, which makes it sufficient enough to handle most of the jobs without any issues. It has a superior build quality, so this welding gun can withstand heat and last pretty long. The outer layer of this welding gun torch is abrasive resistant, which adds up the quality and longevity. Along with the torch, the package includes MIG tips and welding contact tips. Product features: 10 feet, 3 meters cable, high heat resistant material, high abrasive resistance, ergonomic handle. Positive side of this product: reasonably priced. Recommended purchase: power capacity is good. Negative side of this product: No warranty details. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoy the videos, please daily so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product price, do check out my description box. You can for any kind of problem please comment below.